e de laptops aba be hyehyɛ nan no won hyase na enya adwuma ne beboa pa
Ekobi a wo man yimu ya wakanta medin se so ne wo bekukyire mra a de ba wigefo ene lesbians for no wono makasa e kyire mu se ma me Gertrude ne nsem bise bi ebise no ene moya wode maye no wo mani agye ho pa
NPP amanyoko no so de atogya se wo so ma bien krata mu ato no se wo mu a wo mo pe president e me fan krata de ne so enya de a ekuo bi a yanim wonum na omunim omo farbai eba se eba be fan krata ma somesi anaso obente bi a wo mo betwe ede ama wonum
asante mantamo so ye bekọ bosome fra ho mansini nimu ene mpanyifo na de adesrede ato aba mpanyifo nimu se wo mo hwe na sukuu dan ya wo honom no wo mo meye ho nsisi
abusia we ni afoforo pi ni akeke se ne se kase aba bi a wo bia na no pe ye ba na yede ababesomo medinde na na yobo amalibi aboga no pemene
ekuabo achewa asempa etia
yen shaka sena semfemfri man penina na dodan kwa kufuado wachima pse be maboda na tena yenenra fellow Ghanaians oni yen kasai ne nyina eye baby a COVID-19 edi o man na ba bedura odonfo ya dom ama sese de yakoa ama yatitimu COVID-19 e besinse wiase nyina komu a ekoya amanfo kodanna madru baby kra na chese ya bra boni yesu ni e ban bi num kra na asesa se obehia unua na bia wo kwa kwa na tu obehia unua na wo tere wonsa se bia wonfa num entum num no na akwa di ni nyina ye sa yade we ya eba ebebesense wiemu no na nra mampani na na dodan kwa kufa ne Ghana kasa ye no e no che so don fa ya dom yade ne yetima disunkunim a ba bia ya ba bedro no de ye beka se eye ye wose ye tokoso na ye di adwuma na mmom ye nsa ne so se ewom se yade ne ye disunkunim de na so nima binum a yade ne ede bre ne ebi ya wose ye tokoso na ye toatoa so a sa ho ne die eni kwanse ye ne ede efiri ho na no che na mampani na na dodan kwa kufa de so se COVID-19 ni se o man ni sikasam kra e man be ka hye ne so a wade to dwa se ayenim kwane a se economy ne se ya ye betimi asa pagya ne bio ne mun kwabra ni bi wu ana se obuhwe a ebe din se ye besa ekukuru no edina aba enkwamu biewu eno ti Ghana sikasam o se ye no se si agusu a ye pagya no don for ya dom IMF sika no aba beduru na nya no ena Ghana hawo wo se no ebe yi ni nyina de afiri ho no so ni nyina mu no o man ne bekoso a na yesinkete ni apem akoye ni apem akonkan ahwese eniama betuto ye di amaye.
We were in extraordinary time and we took extraordinary measures. And when faced with the realities of the economic crisis last year, I accepted the challenge that the economy required a similar attitude, including the sacrifices many of us have made in recent times. Luckily, the International Monetary Fund has been most supportive, and we have ended up with having our program approved in record time, culminating in the formal approval by the IMF board on 17th May. As I'm sure we have all heard by now, the details of the program have been explained by officials of the fund and by our Minister for Finance and the Governor of the Bank of Ghana. The first tranche of $600 million United States dollars has been credited to our national account out of the $3 billion United States dollars that we have negotiated to receive within a period of 36 months. Fellow Ghanaians, access to the IMF facility will not spell the immediate end of the difficulties we are in presently. But the fact that we've been able to negotiate such a deal sends a positive message to our trading partners, creditors, and investors. Positive message that will be underpinned by the discipline, hard work, and enterprise with which we execute the program. It should lead to the restoration of confidence and the reopening of avenues that have been closed.
Abusia mampani na na dodan kwa kufuado amananso anu eche no de so se IMF pa se na ban beba na omose eniema nkoye sikasemu ankoye enu nti oman no de ho kwa kofa ma IMF no ma aboye de o se na nka ne dadwene ho kra na nka ne nhihye ho na nka ne daye so ho na so bia COVID-19 de oman ne kokoduru ye no ana masesei o ma ade omo ho akwa kofa ma IMF se obaya na oman no ehye IMF nsa no wone na ban ne na krachefo ye nyombe ye bia emoman ne efrimu ntireche se oman Ghana si kwa so a na ye kwanim na COVID-19 na bebo mu no ana masisi yasade ani akwakokyere IMF biemu ne no nka ne dadwene ho kra ne nka ne da so ho kra se oman no yebesa akoba bi sa biu.
The clear implication is that we will protect lives even if it was at the risk of harming the economy. I knew that the pandemic and the measures we were taking to keep us alive would have a devastating effect on the economy. But I believe I have the support of the Ghanaian people to concentrate on protecting lives at any cost. But I do not think anyone, anywhere, imagined the effect would be so widespread, so destructive, and so deep. I owe to you, my compatriots, and to myself, to go to any length to bring the economy to the rude health it was in before the onset of the pandemic. When things came to the state where I concluded we had to go to the International Monetary Fund to access a facility for budgetary support, I gave a directive to the Minister of Finance to start the process.
Mampeni na adodanko akufuado na ebusuha yete nenken.
Omampanyin na nado danko akufuado free so free simpie ene adehye ache bebi a wako COVID-19 adebone akodru no. Wei ene kasebo a etoso aduonu nkono ene one amanfo ache no. Na ne kase yemo cheche yemu de nti obetimi akase COVID-19 adebone any day abrase na ente sese de etini biem. Wo kirema Ministry of Health ahwehwe mo nkrata mu a free bra obinya asa COVID-19 adebone ibi no. Ache yie pa nanso obeto so this year, says face mask no monto aso no mo hye omo hohro mo nsa efrise ye de boni bebre e won from him.
Fellow Ghanaians, throughout these trying times, I kept urging all of you to believe that this too shall pass. Dare I say that this too has passed. The emergency is over and we can safely lift many of the oppressive restrictions we've had to endure. We can shake hands, we can hug, we can visit, and we no longer have to wear masks. But it is strongly recommended we keep some of the measures imposed during the crisis and integrate them into our everyday lives because they have served us well and will continue to serve us well. I urge you all to continue with the regular hand washing and other personal hygiene measures so they become entrenched national habits.
Owie ye another to also say at the boni besensen ye komu no wode ade bi efe no COVID-19 levy ebetintim honum na sebe ya COVID no abrase no eno nche se obeyi levy na free honum ye bekoso a etua eto no.
Let me make it clear that COVID expenditures, essentially unplanned, have been subject at my instigation to audit by the Auditor General and are going through parliamentary processes. We all deserve to be reassured that the crisis was not used as a cover for corrupt practices. The COVID health recovery levy that was introduced to help fill some of the expenditure holes might not be the most popular tax, but I entreat all of you to bear with us. The COVID Trust Fund has performed an invaluable service and with these developments has reached the end of its mandate. I thank the trustees as well as all donors and contributors to the fund. It is likely, God willing, that this will be the last in the series of fellow Ghanaian speeches on COVID. And as your president, I have a truly long list of people and institutions I must take this opportunity to thank.
Ghana man penyin na nado dankwa ekufuado na busuansa no bekasa no yetisi montini bisebisa dihye bi se o man penyin bekasa na deba de na mususu se obaboboso ensem modema no tie bi
me minim de matia se Moses kanaba de a de hiane akwa o maye na IMF no me chichiru maye ne entiase na o maye kumase akwa amaye ene na yehiaye akonta ambobu ahye ne ye ne ye hwekwa se papa ye ne bibia abeye kama
IMF scanaba na ye de yesre ne se o meka ne se IMF scanaba no because they be ada no ka se scanaba ye ho beton enti ati se ska ya be ye pe ye betu ora no se o meka bibipa enche timamufo because ya ti se busumi sakona wi ya wo sabetu light bill wo betu water mo na yesre no because IMF scan mo e dey afa sa se ba Yahu beni hanye. Inti ono ne expecting de so ba beka bibia for ho man. Na
wei ayo manfo bia hia de ya wo sususe na omampanyina na do danko akufo ado ne kasa yemu enu anwumre no nko beboboso.
Yeah, to akase no so na abusuan ye de mo every fellow Ghanaians sensem no mo na ye de Marco Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na tena ye na National Association of Graduate Teachers etwenitia efre say eye nagrate eno mo sre Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia say ne boshe bia wode ema senior high schools ahodo no say enche bia abai eye nhyehyeye na textbooks ahodo no a enkoda no ne ya cheche for de kire nkola de we senior high schools ahodo no mu nyina no oba beyi ne nyina afri ono mo na ye the laptops no akwa na mu senior high school sawo no nyina sebe na de kire ene adesua ebe konkan ene nam Sompa president ya oda National Association of Graduate Teachers ya no yera Angel Kabono vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia say sa bose no a wode ma chechefo sa bose no wode ma school nkwada wo ma away senior high school sawo no mu no ene ne kine ya wo hwe no ni so ne beboa ema enwomasua ene ade kire akonkan se de wiase nyina akwa esese no bibia akwa computer so ene enkomo na obedi a ne nyina akwa computer so se ye bibi kra na mbeso so adwene dia fa ho a se computer ototo na se e wo wiase ya yetim sese no a na je se okra de wo ya kemu anesa eno opene Angel Kabono stress vice president Boshe bia wode ema chechefo enanu ada e wo framantamu mbre kakra ni no wo mo ebesre no ada se woni so maye ne nyina sebe ne beboa ama ngomasua akonkan yenkotie vice president abre no Boshe no se you see a cansam no ade FI.
If this country must move forward in the right direction, we must invest in education, which is the only platform for preparing nation builders of tomorrow. The Minister for Education has also assured me that this year we will start the replacement of textbooks with laptops, which are textbooks embedded in senior high schools. So you will have the laptop, you will have all the textbooks embedded with past questions, lesson plans, and all of that to help the teachers and the students. The final year students, unfortunately, you may not be part of it since you are leaving in September. But second years and first years, we will distribute these laptops in badges, and you will be able to benefit, because we want to equalize access across the country. Everybody must have access, and we will save a lot of money, by the way, from the physical textbooks.
Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia emra na odesa bose we ema ye senior high schools nkwada eni mu achechefo no sini usika na nsema FIA eno no na opene Angel Kabono kai vice president say ase bose no ya ache etwentwe ne na asedodo nti onye ne ntem na textbooks ahodo no a yede laptops na ekwakosi anemu we senior high schools no etima kwakudru ntem aboa ama de kire ne adesua akọ enkane.
Dr. Apia Kubi eyo panyi bia ekuo bia betinti moman yimu se ba no abusuan kire ne ntete amapade a wo mo hwe ema bibibiara engu ho fi no wo ka ho bi no no kra ya esaka anti-gay society no ho se no obeku kire mra soronko kra na obi bia waye no ho se wo no de ebema e no obefa na asa no yonko ba no obefa no emra no ebere no e de abetu dwa se na no ada ma me Gertrude toko no kopie mu e wa appointment committee ene nsemiso mu bisa no eni moaya wode ma wo no nini na wo ye sene wo se ye no kirem se ekwan ya wo fa subu ansem na no edika na efeye sane se wo hwe LGBTQ hu sensem ya se wo hwe na wanka ho asem ya wo bi ebesi akira keka nsem oni bebre afa ho na appointment committee no eyekuo bi a wo mu doso obi biara aban no be paw no so meka no ho na wo ni dwuma ma me Gertrude ne sama wadi tudwa no ya twebi egu ahoma no so na ansana no Dr. Apia Kubi exclusive interview kra and all this ansem we emai.
Oye very important to Ghana yemra ani ade. Enti edamia me nia me nyonko sofo a o kan mo tro bill Reverend Tim for Jobusano about LGBT issue. O kan say ono odemra no na be ye adwuma. Aha ni ha because so a sense or yemranim for a sense or chief justice in Tino. Ono emrano and or the bayaduma emran ni say I check I think when a not a bayamra or mine about LGBT tonight I got to parliament and this occurs or the emrani bayaduma na the dinner as a permanent some for you say our dodgy questions so many are because or a chief justice and as a chief justice no more or less like a match commissioner no and send you why am I pushing the brain to the corner and then no all ye cry now man for so or call interview crop can't say now can't say and yeah I didn't super
anti-gay campaigner Dr. Apia Kubino Chem Senuko no mani aje papa ma me Gertrude Sake ne nsemisa ye bisa no eni muaya wodema ekuo no ho
Yanto aso ne yɛmfa mo nkɔ MPP amanyuku na tena ye na busu MPP amanyuku na bi nkrata to no mo se woni omo pe president die no obia enkofa eye enkrata no ebi na bi oma bie eye nwoma mu ato wonom so obia enkonkofa bie woni ye pe president die a na anu fiada omo bie tu mane ye ewura no mo be nan yo sesei ene koya omo kofa enkrata na ne soso no eto aso enam so MPP amanyuku ndi atodwa se bie de omo bie nkrata no mu nso mo nkoso sokuo bia se the name woman so sign am the fakata ma so mesi the fakata mo benten woman konso so sankrofono so nyina na no fiada no pa de esi ya yesi ko bi ko so mo kwa kofan krata ma vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na mo chesa twia kai na mo mufre wan anim wo ene che so mo wo mo nkunsa wo motiko mo ko pe on ba bi de wo mani wo kokko gina ye na Evans and Makwa wono and a director of elections the MPP amanyuku no chere say niema asade ne koba ye say omonye ready say sankrofo no omo ebeso so omo so na eye nibri serious business and omo your party officer.
Nobody was denying. They had come as a group. They are not known to the party. They may be known to individuals. The conversation between us was that they should bring something to show that they've been mandated by that individual. That was all. So it's not that they were denying. It's a conversation ongoing. As I said, nomination has been open for 30 days, and we're expecting that within these times, all prospective candidates could come or with a certain authority given to their assistants, they could come in and pick. But as I've said, a serious business of the party. We are not just playing games. And if you've come in the name of somebody, there must be something to show. Different from what the General Secretary put up, that the party has opened nomination for the presidential primaries today, 26th of May 2023, and we have up to 1 month to close the nomination. So far, 4 people have picked. We've had Mr. Boache Jakon, we've had Mr. Kobne Japon, Dr. Kofi Medo Apraku, and Mr. Adani. So, I mean, as you made it clear to the world, this party's presidential primaries that has been open, we are expecting that those prospective people will turn out to procure the forms, and later they will be vetting. And out of that, if there are more than 5,
I was going to weigh opening a Evans in Makwa share abaton sensem soma NPP amanyuku no.
Yembra asante manta Muhammad ni be friend obosome frɛ ho ne emfa ye ni enche kochukrum adesuafo ene adekyerɛkyerɛfo mo honom eyem ehyehwe mo pa isane sɛ dan na so mo kochukrum DA primary school na abeye ayem hyehye wo ye nsiesie adwuma ewo kochukrum DA primary school no ho akyeye pa enu nti wo hwa wo ne ho a ɛho apapa ne piles esisimu ni na ase ebebu ani wo hene ya wo kochukrum nana kochi bebi wono ene wode ade srede kase pa eto yewura Peter ejey agema yenim dodo na eta sanem samrane se PA wose wo ya yemu ya pa enu nti wo sre no se ne monimu ya emo bia wo hia na ebebo amakochikrom DA primary school no afa ne ntampe fra no won beye emfama wo mo
ene due ya me pasai metasade akwan a Mr. Ajeman afaso aba Dr. Mensa papa yi me de adesrede no duru etunani seni oye mamamfo ewo bosome fere no yesem se ne due o me ye bi makwa ekun titi we school dan yankwala no komu no mu nyina sei nkwala no ntimi nkokra so bi okra ya tum nti adesrede na me faso de ato Mr. Ajeman afo so ye kru kwa ekun o mo wa kontum ni bi wani nsem bia no o me ye moa na ye school no infama nkwala no
nana kochi abebio ene wo ye ohene ya wo kochi krom wo wie ya pe ene yewura Peter Ajeman so ede nsem kakra eto asuafo no anim
ayi de mbae Dr. Mensa de papa ayi de meduru ase na o meduru krom so a o se kochi krura no any committee o be ade bitu manim se o mo school so mo ha kakra e wo na be se bitu na mo be se ne e koso ampa Bedu I say in fact enkoyi to hen na bose me de bitimi ne mo mesra mo so from mine ina se obi a oso no ho odin bia no do bia bi wole sam bia no mra e de hesi school no
Peter AJ Ajeman
Yɛmfa kaseɛ ne nkɔ wie ɛwɔ Kumasi Technical Institute etwanity afra ne sɛ KTI na ɛhɔ ne yɛateteɛ sɛ school nkɔdaa bɛboro 500 deɛ sɛ ne mo kasɛi mpanimfoɔ asuspende wɔ nom mpanimfoɔ wɔ school hɔ nom asuspende wɔ nom nyinaa de nkrataa akɔma technical and vocational education training directorate sɛ nkɔdaa no ayɛ niamɔ ho sɛm na busua entete abɛtɔ so mpɛ fam nsɛm twɛfa pron so kyerɛ sɛ mɛbusom ne de ɛtɔ so dunson ɛna nkɔdaa yi sɛde asɛm ne siiɛ de mmarahyɛ wɔ nom nsɛm akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ kaase sukuu na japadeɛ sɛ ne nyinaa ɛwɔ school mu hɔ nom a kyɛsɛ na odwene ho a wonte ase wi ase kra no yɛse aposifo ɛwɔ zongo police station nom ɛno mo ɛtiatia mu frɛ wu no mo ɛmɔ mo ɛkɔpam nkwada nka anye saa enka yɛteyɛ ɛwɔ KTI school mu hɔ nom no enka enkonkɔyɛ papa na sɛ bɛyɛ na kosibro ne ɛka ne sɛ discipline bɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ school no mu nti ɛna nam so ama sie no mo kasɛi management a wɔn ɛhwɛ KTI school no ɛsoɔ wɔn ma ayɛ ne sɛ saa nkwada yi mako 500 deɛ kosibro ne ka ne sɛ wɔn a suspended wɔn mu nyinaa ɛde ho nkrataa akɔma ɛyɛ mpanimfo a wɔn ɛhwɛ TVT so na wɔn de ato dwa sɛ nsisimu ahodoɔ so no ɛkɔ ne ɛkɔfa asare ho sɛm ne baayɛ ɛne ɛyɛ agyapade ahodoɔ a nkɔdaa na asɛsɛ no ɛwɔ sukuu no mu nyinaa no abusua wɔn egusu a wɔn ani edi akyiri ɛwɔ Kumasi Technical Institute a yɛtwa ne tia ɛfrɛ ne sɛ KTI abusuafo yɛ nyina wei so na nɔpɛ yi nsɛm a yɛboaboa no ɛde ɛbɛsom no yɛmfa mo nsi yɛnsɔre ma ɔman hene yɛde bo akyɛme som na ade akyɛ bi adwumadi ɛntoa so yɛne yɛsom ma nɔpɛ yi na yɛaboa ma libi abɔga nɔpɛ mene
akua boakye wa asɛmpa yɛtia
to me say malaria etumi pa o aha so na permission mixer ekyire de tumi no permission mixer malaria duro ano nam me pede no so no ano nam wo de wo hia kefo